Okay, guys, it is the time for the trending market for the week, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? If you have any question at all, drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on higher time frame so that I can capture more things on the chart in order for us to know the exact direction of each of the assets throughout the week. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it is also important that you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading, because most of you will be trading on lower time frame. So any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal on lower time frame. So this is very, very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is Boom 1000, and of course, just the way we are seeing this, okay, you will notice that this has been on uptrend right from here. Okay, first of all, I'm on 4-hour time frame using the trend milker trade indicator. So it started an uptrend right from this section. You can see the structure that it gave us down here. So it gave us an uptrend signal and a buy signal down here. So it kept on buying till it got to this particular spot, and of course played around there for a while, even had a pullback, but didn't go for too long before it went back to break out above this. Okay, to break out above the resistance zone. And of course, guys, that actually led to this uptrend moving towards the next resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then we are most likely to have a pullback around here and see if it will go fully into a downtrend. But for the past 12 hours, it has been more of a bullish pattern than a bearish pattern. So this is still very much an uptrend at the moment. So if it's unable to break out from there, then we are most likely to have a bearish move right from there. Okay, so next asset is going to be Boom 500. Okay, guys, this is Boom 500. It started a downtrend right from the resistance zone at the top here. So gave us a downtrend signal around there and a sell signal. And crashing down since then. There are pullbacks in between, which is normal. And of course, got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there at the beginning. Went back up, came down, went back up again. This time around, forming out a M, and of course the last leg of M broke out from this support zone and to get to this region, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it went back up and of course came down. So if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back on full uptrend, and that means it will be forming a W, and you know what that means. So it's most likely to get to this region once it's starting. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from here, definitely it will be getting to these spots. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys should look out for that. It's going to be a very long buy trend if that happens. Okay, let's check out Crash 1000. Okay, guys, this is Crash 1000, and just the way we are saying this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal around here, and of course a sell signal around there, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so it is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. However, it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so this actually, okay, let me check it again. Boom 500, we threw with Boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend, and of course may likely go back on uptrend right from there. At the moment, it is on downtrend, but it will not be for long before it will go back on uptrend, most especially after forming that W. Okay, and for crash 1000, let's check it out again. Okay, crash 1000 is also presently on downtrend. Okay, it might not be for long also before it will go back on uptrend, so you should watch out for that. Okay? Let's check out crash 500 right now. Crash 500 actually started a downtrend right from here, even though the movement was not that smooth. Played around there for a while, broke out below it around there, got to this spot, was unable to break out below that, so it started an uptrend again, and of course it got to this resistance zone and went down again, but having issue with this particular support zone. Okay, this particular one, so it was unable to break, it has not been able to break out from there, so it is still playing around that section. Okay, so if it's unable to go up, then definitely it will try out this support zone again and see if it will be able to break out from there. So this is still very much on downtrend at the moment. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is Volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, came to an end at this spot, and of course went back on uptrend to um, finish it up at this particular resistance zone. And of course it came down again and it has gotten to this support zone. And at the moment we should know that this is on uptrend. The reason is even this actually gave us a W and it has gotten to this region. But do you know what? If it breaks out above this, then it is coming to this. The reason is it will be taking the bigger structure at that point. Okay, so it is coming to this, and of course if it breaks out from here, it will be going to the top. Okay, so we should take note of that also. Okay, we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity right from there. So guys, I will be stopping right from here, and of course if you have any other question, kindly go back to kindly go to the comment section and drop your questions down there within the comment section. And if you love this video, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.